o tops sa mga tindahang mala-Amerika ang itinitinda.
You think about off-price stores, generally they are off-season, meaning it's a season behind. Duty-free will get them immediately because they have the brand behind them. But once that doesn't sell, it comes to us. How is the price? The prices are fabulous. They're wonderful. Tops has great prices. We are generally every day on sale.
Ang magkaibigang Sheena at Brian suki na ng mga ganitong lugar. Linggo-linggo, sabay silang naghahanap ng mga branded na gamit na swak sa kanilang budget. Hindi na raw mabilang kung ilan ang mga budget store na dinayo nila para lang makabili ng mga imported.
Gusto namin yung kahit pricey siya, pero yung quality naman niya maganda. At saka ayaw din kasi namin yung magdadamit kami, tapos paglabas namin ng mall, marami kaming kaparehas. Gusto namin talaga unique kaming pareho.